Hi, today we are going to see how to create pivot table in Google Sheets. First open your browser, then search for sheets.google.com. Then this type of interface will be visible in your screen. Then open your document. Now select a cell that you want to create pivot table. Then click on insert. You will find pivot table here. Click on pivot table. Now select where you want to see the pivot table. If you want to see the pivot table in new sheet, then click on new sheets, or if you want to see the pivot table in existing sheet, then click on existing sheet. I'm gonna show you on existing sheet. Then click on this for rectangle icon for selecting the data range. After selecting your data range, then click on OK. Then click on create. Your pivot table was created. Now here you can customize the pivot table. And you can also customize the values. You can add filter and do many things that you want. This is how you can create pivot table in Google Sheets. If the video helps you, then please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.